How to change an app notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So after click on apps, scroll down and select app from here. So after select app, click on notifications. So after click on notification, make sure notification button is turned on. So now here showing you notification category. So after click on notification category, so click on general notification. So if you want to change notification sound, so after change notification sound, so you will see notification sound rate list is showing here. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change an app notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.